Hey guys, I just put some foil on my teeth. I like it. And I braided my hair for it to be crimped. Three on this side, two on this. So right now I'm just watching Timmy movie 2. Okay, so yeah, I'm just watching that movie. So all my hair is okay, so my cousin is just sleeping right now because we went into the pool and it was so cold. He started crying really bad. I know he's 11, but he started crying really bad because he has a big old rash um, on his stomach, his chest, his hands. It's almost going to his face already. But we put some cream. My uncle just went like like 1 hour ago or like 30 minutes ago. He went to no nothing like no. This is no freaking shit. No. Um, I'll catch you guys later. Hey guys, I'm gonna go show you guys the pool. So we barely said it yesterday, and my uncle Mike and Peter when this movie's done. Okay, so it's gonna be dark. Yeah, okay. There's a storm coming. There's a freaking storm coming. Oh my gosh, I gotta get the dogs in. I'm gonna show you guys the pool. What? Oh, sorry. That's hard, but it's just might not get into it because there's a storm coming. See, look at the clouds over there. It looks so fine, but over here, no. We're gonna get the storm. I gotta get the dogs in my hammock. Let me take this off. Like it. Hold on. Dad, it looks like there's a storm coming. Do you want me to put it in the hammock or when it starts raining? Huh? Okay. Come on, get in. No. Come on, get in. Come on, go. Only mommy could be out. Okay, so right now I'm gonna lay in my hammock and see if it's gonna start raining because it looks like it's gonna rain really bad right now. So I'm gonna set you guys up right here. See, look at the clouds. It's really good. Okay, so now I'm going inside. It's already thundered. You can't go to the pool today. But tomorrow, I promise, guys, I will show you when you're going to the pool. Oh my god. The dog's just got. Go get him. Come on, Miguel. Come on. Get in. There you go. Get in. Get in. Get in. Get in. There you go. Get in. That's the dog's in. Looks like it's gonna rain really, really bad. That's it. Go, come on. Okay, hold on. It's gonna be dark right now. There is a big old storm coming up in a minute. I'm gonna check the weather. I don't know how much it's gonna be, but it's gonna be hot. Okay, so guys, don't forget to thumbs it up. Don't forget to subscribe and slap the thumbs up. And yeah, bye.